guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadijah. Welcome to my channel. So we're back with another hair tutorial, and in today's video we'll be working with Megalook Hair. This is their packaging. Today I will be installing their 24-inch 13x4 Balayage highlighted Bodywave wig. This is it. The unit comes fully customized and ready to be installed, strap sewed on. Everything is done to the unit. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from Megalook Hair, the website is in my description as well. Go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. I am losing my voice, so I won't be talking throughout this tutorial. So go ahead, sit back, relax, and until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.
Be so stupid when I got all the signs. I guess that is love. Now the red flags are lucid, and I know that I'll be fine. I guess that is self-love. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about? Trust. You remember I asked you to meet in the middle. Now I'm here all alone again. You remember I call you. You were talking in riddles. Now you're lying to me again. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about? Oh, what about? How could I be so stupid when I got all the signs? I guess that is love. Now the red flags are lucid, and I know that I'll be fine. I guess that is self-love. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? flex are lucid, and I know that I'll be fine. I guess that is self-love. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about? You remember I asked you to meet in the middle. Now I'm here all alone again. You remember I call you. You were talking in riddles. Now you're lying to me again. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about? How could I be so stupid when I got all the signs?
All right, guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. It is super cute, and I just love this color combo. This is it.
You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said.
This is it. I kept it super natural. The lace smells super good. This is it. It is super bouncy, super soft. This is it. Once again, today we're featuring Megalook Hair, and this is their 24-inch 13x4 balayage highlighted Bodywave wig. This is it. The lace smells so good, and everything about this unit is just so pretty, and I just love it. The texture is amazing. It lays great. Everything is perfect. This is it. I love how this wig came out. It is super soft, super bouncy. The curls are great. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Megalook Hair, their website is also in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look, and honestly, if I was supposed to rate this unit, I would definitely give it a 10. It is just flawless. The lace smells so good. It holds the curls so good, and it is super bouncy. I love this unit. Guys, go ahead and make your purchase, because this is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.